chasing cartoon.
How was your weekend?
Oh, it was fine. It was uneventful. And yours?
Oh, fine. You're sore?
No. Sore would be slight discomfort, and I'm experiencing major discomfort known as pain.
The seal?
The X-seal. I think if he was still on active duty, I'd be hospitalized. Kevin's idea of a fun date is 100 thrust squats while clutching a 10-pound bag of potatoes. What's up with you?
Oh, my neck's a little stiff.
And that would be a direct result of?
Of Danielle.
Ooh.
Cours de ballet, Saint-Chapelle Dance Company, and what a flexible little gull she is.
Date number?
Wow. Smokes like an active volcano, drinks like she's trying to quench the eternal flame, and has absolutely no concept of nightfall. Or sleep, for that matter.
Any killings?
Sorry, Harry, no.
3 weeks, not a single homicide. What's happened to the quality of life here in Palm Beach?
I don't know, Skipper. Can you imagine a group of people so self-centered that they won't even commit a murder?
It's beyond me. Oh, great. Swell. I'll take this in my office.
Maybe if you killed Kevin and I killed Danielle, Harry would be happy.
There's a sweet thought. Ow. But unfortunately, Kevin and I have already played the go ahead and try and kill me game.
Relationship's moving kind of fast, isn't it?
I said to him, Kevin, we're both naked. Trying to silently slit your throat is really not on my mind right now.
Yeah, kind of logic would have given me pause.
You know, I thought this thing was solid. When I first started seeing this guy, phrases like frontal assault and flanking positions sounded kind of fun.
Well,
Great news, everybody! We got a murder!
Do you ever worry about him?
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, Meg. These are Sergeants Ryan and St. John.
Meg, could you tell us where the victim is, please? She said this direction, right?
Yeah.
So, what do we got?
We got nothing. We're having a little trouble finding the DB.
What do you mean you can't find that dead body?
Meg, we're having a little trouble. I thought maybe you could help us find the body. There's a cat here.
Cartoon. She was so young and vital. What sort of monster would do a thing like this?
Miss Gordon, is Khartoum the reason you called us here?
Miss Gordon, we'll call the Humane Society. You see, we're homicide detectives. We deal with murders.
I know who you are, you twit. Now, someone has murdered Khartoum, and I want to know who did it and why. Captain Lipschitz?
Meg, we're on it.
Thank you. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, please. Please just be quiet. Look, someone has murdered Khartoum and the police are here investigating. Please just leave me alone.
Are you all right?
Yes, thank you, I'm fine. It's just my feckless ex-daughter-in-law, Katrina. She has the most annoying habit of calling me Mom.
Captain Lipschitz, are you insane?
You're the one who was moping around not having any murders to solve.
I'll unmope.
What about your son? Is he around?
No, he died 15 months ago. You know, you remind me of someone that I haven't seen for a very long time.
I just have one of those faces.
Will you just do this thing? I'll explain later.
Meg, did the cat have any known enemies? Besides the dog, that is.
Captain Lipschitz, do you think that Sergeant St. John could stay behind? I could use a sense of security.
Oh, Meg, I think it'd be better if it was somebody you knew.
She'd be delighted. Wouldn't you, Cassy?
Yeah, I guess I would.
Fine. Then it's settled.
Harry, this is weak.
You like the new station house?
Yeah, of course.
You also like to participate in the annual Palm Beach Police and Firemen's Golf and Tennis Tournament?
Yeah, I have won it 3 years in a row.
Meg Gordon funds all of the above.
So if she wants us to investigate dead termites in her house, we will.
Excellent detective. Besides everything else, I like her. Find out what killed the cat.
Forget it.
Hey, if I gotta solve the murder of Sylvester here, you gotta do the autopsy.
Do I look like a vet? I mean, do you see chihuahuas and parakeets in here?
Meg Gordon is a major contributor to things like our tournament.
Tournament, like our golf tournament?
Yeah.
Okay. I win it.
You win what?
I win the golf tournament.
Oh, no, you see, I usually win the tournament. You place second.
I know. But I'm not the one looking for a different way to skin the cat, now am I?
So, there I was, hot and sticky, like you only can be in the midday sun. 18 years old, you know, camera in hand, waiting for that pompous Englishman to lower the last Union Jack on the Suez so I can get the picture off to New York. When I see this ravishing Egyptian taking pictures of me and not the canal.
Is that when you were working for Life?
No time. Life already had Kappa, so what did they need me for? Well, anyway, 2 bottles of ouzo later, and I married dear sweet Anwar Benazan. Gave me a cat for our wedding day. He told me that the cat was sacred to the Egyptians and that I was sacred to him. Called the cat Khartoum. Anwar died in Jordan 2 years later. And since then, I've named every cat I've ever had Khartoum. Silly, isn't it?
No, I don't think it's silly at all.
Well, that's good, because I've also named every German Shepherd I've ever had Berlin after my second husband, Erich von Roon. Oh, and that little devil is the only pet to have survived all of my marriages. His name is Vatican.
Buenas noches, Meg.
And that's when you met #1 in Italy?
Spain. But Hector was very Catholic.
So who is it I remind you of?
Oh, that's a secret I'll share with you soon. Very soon. Excuse me.
Hi, Mom.
Katrina, I have told you a billion times that I hate it when you call me that. Now, why are you here?
Hi, I'm Katrina Brown.
Hi, Cassy St. John. Is this the daughter-in-law you were talking about?
The feckless ex-daughter-in-law I was talking about?
You know, Meg, it's getting a little late, and since Katrina's here, I think
Oh,
I'll...
yes, we'll just go on. Just leave me in my grief past to deal with my grief future.
You know, if you need anything.
No, it's okay. It's okay, go. But please, let me know what happened to Khartoum. She wasn't that old, you know.
I will.
Thanks.
Oh, and the other thing I noticed, there's no alarm on this house.
What for? Johnny Weissmiller once tried to break this door in, gave himself a concussion.
Johnny Weissmiller.
Yes, Tarzan. Knocked himself out.
Oh, yeah. Johnny Weissmiller. Okay. All right. Good night, Meg.
Good night. It'll never be yours, Katrina.
I know. I don't want it.
Well, just exactly what is it that you do want from me?
To tell you I was sorry to hear about Khartoum. And if there's anything I could do...
Enough. I am anything but stupid or foolish.
How could your son see so much in me and you see nothing?
Because I know what to look for and he didn't.
You are so wrong about me.
I doubt it. All you really want is the money.
But I don't.
Look, I pride myself in being independent in both spirit and means. I also have dug for gold. And I know what the dirt looks like underneath the nails, and honey, it's caked under yours.
Did you hate me every day for the 2 years that I lived here?
Just about. I loved my son. He was a fool. I tried to help him. You exploited him.
You're so wrong about me.
Buenas noches, Carrie.
Good morning.
So, how were you and Danielle? Did you do a pas de deux last night?
No. No, I told her I was taking my father, who lives in Boston, to an Expos game.
So I guess North American geography isn't one of her strong suits.
No. No. How about you and the underwater demolitions expert?
You know, I'm getting worse and worse about breaking up relationships. It used to be that I could look a guy straight in the eyes and say...
It's been fun, but we're through.
Yeah, how'd you know?
I may have heard you say that once. Ryan.
St. John.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, we'll be right over, Miss Gordon.
Thanks.
I can't believe this. Her dog's dead.
Oh. Well, that was Morton. Cat died of rat poisoning. He also found a partially digested rat inside.
So she was telling the truth. Somebody did murder her cat.
Is Harry gonna make you pay for the locksmith?
He acts like I'm the first person in the world who's ever locked a set of keys inside a car.
No, I think it's the fact that it was the second time that you've done it to a squad car.
Is it asking too much to keep a set of spares around?
You lost the spare keys, remember? Oh, I got it.
Got it what?
Okay, let's double date with Danielle and Kevin. We'll do that thing that we did on the Anderson
No.
case. Oh, come on.
No, forget it. Forget what happened to the "it's fun, we're through" thing. No.
Oh. This is much more humane.
Come on, Cassy, just breaking up with a guy. You're not putting him to sleep.
Are you in? Are you gonna practice grand jetés all night long with Danielle?
Hello.
First Khartoum and now Berlin. What madness is this?
Miss Gordon, this may just be a horrible coincidence. See, Khartoum sort of died of natural causes.
How so?
Well, the cat ate the rat who ate the cheese.
Are you toying with me, Sergeant Ryan? Because I don't own a rat.
No, the poison in the cheese killed the rat. They killed the cat that ate the rat. That someone might want to help me.
Are you suggesting that Berlin ate a rat, too?
No.
Hey, who is this Johnny Weiss something?
Weissmiller.
Yeah.
Tarzan.
Who's that?
The Tarzan. You know, the guy who invented the yell.
I've never seen a rat in my house, ever. So how did my cat? Vatican was an eyewitness.
An eyewitness to what?
To Berlin's murder. And the cause are very bright. I think we should ask him.
Okay, I'll be going. Harry, I haven't moped all day. Who killed the dog? Nope. That's it.
How can you be so stupid? He doesn't even speak your language.
That's because this is a parrot.
Wait a minute. You said the bird only speaks Spanish.
No. I'm not gonna go there.
Come on, we don't speak fluent Spanish.
I think it's a wonderful idea.
Fine. I'll go get Ramon.
La donna immobile, la donna immobile, la... Oh, shh! Dígame, baby.
Are you drunk?
Claro que no. When I am working.
What are you doing?
Well, everything is muy delicado. I am plying my trade in Los Artes. Señor de Olimpio has asked me to clean and authenticate his wares.
Jeez, what do you got in your hand?
¿Esto? Oh, this is what the señor told me to clean with.
What are you doing with ether?
It is what he told me. He said, y yo cito, either clean or authenticate the art, and that is what I am doing.
Either, Ramon. Either or, not ether. This'll kill you.
No me extraña. This was doing a very malo job of cleaning. But I am to forgive. The señor, he speaks with a very thick accent in his English. No es tan perfecto como el mío.
Okay, come on. You're coming with me. I need your help.
Okay. Oh, esto could have been a big disaster. No? Huh?
Come on.
Okay. After you.
Come on. Jeez. You know, Ramon, this may not be your finest day.
Yes.
Come on.
Ay, Vaticano. ¿Quién mató al perro?
Harry.
Caray, no.
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí, señora.
No, I am señor.
The bird confess?
You will be muy contentos. I know who killed the perro and the gato.
Who?
A sea turtle.
You want me to get a sketch artist or just send out an APB, Harry?
This is not funny.
You're right. It isn't funny. dog and a cat killed by a sea turtle, witnessed by a parrot, is not funny.
Now listen to me,
Harry, he's right. I'm just being absurd. Forgive me, all of you.
Now, it was just grief clouding your judgment, Meg.
Well, I think I'll drink at dinner tonight.
Me too.
I know. That's what I said. So we're in Morocco doing this covert wet ops for the French Foreign Legion, right? Now, and these guys, they think they're really damn tough. Tom, do you ever get into it with a Legionnaire?
Geez, I can't remember. Cass, do you remember?
Oh, once, yeah. In fact, maybe twice.
Good man, good man. Anyway, so he's bragging on about how he's cut and been cut. And the next thing I know, we were down to skivvies showing off battle scars.
No.
I love men with scars.
Really? I've got a nasty appendectomy scar.
Ah, geez, there goes my beeper. Well, you know what?
I didn't hear that go off.
Well, I keep it on vibrate. Tom, I may need your help.
Come on. Cass. It's 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the movies with Danielle.
Oh, I'm sorry, stud man, but I hate to do this to you.
Okay, all right. I'm sorry, Danielle.
See ya.
I'll see you soon. Yeah, you're an angel. Meg! Cassy, give me your keys.
Okay, it was one scratch.
There won't be, I promise.
You okay?
And nothing. I put it out on the radio. Maybe one of the plane wraps will trip it. What happened?
Assailant unknown, no forced entry, door may or may not have been locked.
It was locked.
Who else could have had a key?
No one. It was just a bungled burglary. It's happened before.
Meg, do we know everything we need to?
Yes.
Okay, well, how about I stay the night?
I'd really enjoy that.
Okay. How about I get out of here? I'll go with Harry. Here.
Oh, no, just take the car. Fill it and come pick me up in the morning.
You're in good hands.
What about Vatican?
What about Vatican?
Well, he's a material witness in a murder case.
Meg, are you saying that we should take Vatican into protective custody?
I am. It's apparent that the safety of this house has been compromised.
Animal Services is closed.
I've got a swell idea. Why don't I Take Vatican with me. Jeez. What's wrong with you?
Hasta luego, Mick.
After you.
Captain, is he really one of your better detectives?
Used to be.
Hey, excuse me. Thanks.
Pretty boy.
What? What?
Oh, what a pretty boy.
What'd you say to me?
I didn't say anything to you.
Such a pretty boy.
I thought you only spoke Spanish.
You saying I ain't talking English?
No. No, I actually...
I'm thinking of ripping your heart out of your chest and stuffing it back down your throat.
I understand every word you're saying perfectly. You speak perfect English. And I'll be seeing you.
Who's this?
Oh, that's my daughter. She left me when she was 15. I haven't heard from her since. See, I was very much into living my own life, and my children were a burden. Sarah needed that nurturing and friendship that only exists between a mother and a daughter. I chose not to give it to her. So she left.
Well, I know a little bit about that. Why didn't you try and get her back?
She went to live with a friend's family. I demanded that she apologize to me before I'd let her back. And apparently she's as stubborn as I am because she wouldn't do it.
Do you know where she is now?
No. My son used to keep in touch with her until he died, and I have no idea what's happened to her since.
What about your daughter-in-law? Maybe she knows where she is.
Carrie? No.
Maybe I could help find her. If I could, what would you do?
I would beg her forgiveness.
Tom. Stay.
Tom.
Danielle, you all finished inspecting the Navy?
I've always lived my life by never asking for permission. Only forgiveness.
So you want me to forgive you for turning me into a herring while you played with the seal? Well, I've been having a bad day.
I know it's over between us. But can't we not have one last dance together?
Well, my mother really never taught me how to dance.
Then let me.
Fine. Please, behave.
Hey, where the hell were you this morning? You were supposed to pick me up.
I'm sorry, I overslept. Is Ramon here yet?
Yeah, overslept. Uh-huh. With who? Danielle?
Danielle, easy, baby.
I'm gonna eat you for lunch, my friend. Crispy style.
You let him laugh at you, Tom. Meantime, you did one hell of a job on that biker gang.
What biker gang?
Tom had a dust-up at a gas station with a group of bikers, wanted on 3 Signal 41s. He raced out of there, called us. We got him.
Whoa. Back up. You raced out in my car?
It was nothing, really. It was, it was probably one of the slowest escapes in the history of crime.
Come on. He leads this group of bikers on what has to be an unbelievable chase through the city. Meantime, he's on his cell phone giving us his exact location.
You were leading the chase in my car?
No, it wasn't much of a chase, Cassy, really. Aren't we supposed to go to Meg's?
Tom,
Yeah.
just how fast was your getaway from the gas station?
Oh, I think I actually had my foot right on the brake.
So there's nothing that you forgot to tell about it?
Not that I... No?
No.
Oh, jeez, I thought I'd close that.
Well, it's gotta be hard to close with that in the way, don't you think?
Isn't that part of the option package in this model?
You guys finished? Thank you. There's not a single print hit off of the car.
Maybe we can check the back of the rearview mirror.
It's clean. I think criminals are watching too much TV.
Great. Now we got the car and we have no idea who is driving it.
It wasn't hot-wired either.
Tom, do me a favor, get in the car. Now, is the seat too close or too far?
Too close.
By how much?
I don't know, 4 inches?
Okay, scrunch down, look in the rearview mirror.
6.
Okay, so Tom's 6'2", minus 10, so we're looking for a man or woman 5'7", 5'8".
Who had a key? Somebody's lying to us.
We found the Ferrari.
Oh, well, I don't know why I keep it.
It was your son's?
Yes. I think I paid more in traffic tickets for it than it cost.
You have no idea who might have attacked you.
Well, as I said before, it was probably a burglar.
Yeah, you did say that before.
Do you have another suggestion?
We're just trying to string together the events, Meg. First your cat dies, then your dog, then you're attacked.
And somehow, the burglar got into your house without any sign of forced entry and managed to get a hold of your son's keys for the Ferrari.
Well, it must be my age. I should have told you I have a terrible habit of leaving all the keys in all my cars, so the burglar could have taken any one of them.
Pathology report came back on Berlin. It seems that he digested oleander leaves. It's highly poisonous to canine.
I should have had them taken out years ago.
Buenas tardes, peoples. Please, I am not too disturbing you.
What a delight this man is. I've hired him to inventory my art.
Well, I'm sure he'll do a good job for you, as long as you frisk him before he leaves.
Buenas noches, Carrie.
No, my little amiga. She is not a sea turtle. She is policía.
Ramon?
What? I have taken nothing?
No, ask Vatican who killed Berlin.
Otra vez? I already have.
Just do it.
Vaticano. ¿Quién mató al perro?
Carrie.
Sí, es verdad. Carey en español es sea turtle.
Isn't that what you call your daughter-in-law, Carrie?
And she knew where the key to the Ferrari was. Call a unit to pick her up.
No.
Meg.
She knows where my daughter is. And I've agreed to do what she wants. So you will do nothing
You're being extorted.
I'm doing this of my own free will. How can that be extortion?
Meg, let us help you.
I thank you for all that you've done. I have an appointment now. Good day.
There's no warrants on Katrina Rhodes. She pays her taxes. She works part-time as a botanical consultant. It's not the textbook profile of an extortionist.
Still missing something. Why did she kill Meg's pets?
So if Katrina knew where Meg's daughter was, well, then why wasn't that enough to get Meg to pay?
I thank you. The city thanks you. Your fellow officers thank you.
For what?
Meg Gordon phoned. She is picking up the entire tab for the communications upgrade we have been begging for.
Well, her daughter-in-law is blackmailing her, and she's trying to get us off her back.
If we interfere, she may change her mind.
Cass, how did Meg's son die?
I don't want to have to pull rank here, but I will if I have to.
Body found floating, blah, blah, blah. Organ failure due to ingestion of amatoxins, specifically ibotenic acid.
Mushrooms. Poisonous mushrooms. Ibotenic acid is the active fatal toxin.
Who reported it?
His wife, the botanist, Katrina Rhodes.
Oh. So Carrie killed Meg's son.
Let's go pick her up.
Police!
Go on.
Okay. Call Harry.
Harry, it's Tom. Yeah, Katrina's house is clean. We're heading over to Meg's place, okay? Hey, could you use a little constructive criticism?
What?
You use the brakes too much.
I use the brakes too much?
Yeah, a mid-engine car like this, with this kind of balance, is all about accelerating and decelerating to handle the turns.
Really?
Really. Hey.
What, now you want me to accelerate or do you want me to use the brakes?
Use the brakes. Use the brakes. You nuts?
Where's Sarah?
Waiting for you. Where's the money? Let it ring. Have you made Sarah happy?
I have instructed my lawyers to delete the codicil.
Sarah was very angry and upset that you were going to leave your entire estate to your pets.
Well, that's been rectified. Now, please.
500 grand is a lot heavier than I thought it would be.
Buenas noches, Carrie.
It's Buenos Dias, you stupid bird. Call this number after I leave. You know, you and I are alike, Meg. Just average girls who know how to dig in the right place.
Get out.
Oh, and call me after you see her. Tell me if she's exactly how you remembered her.
Grayson and Grayson.
Oh, hello. This is Meg Gordon. I'd like to speak to my daughter, Sarah, please.
But ma'am, you've called a funeral home.
coroner's report confirms that the body at the funeral home is Sarah's. She died of mushroom poisoning. I'm sorry, Meg.
I so wanted to believe that she'd be back.
You want me to take you over there?
No. I think I'll keep the image I've always had.
I found this at Katrina's apartment. It's Sarah's diary.
Oh, thank you. I'll read it later.
Tom, Harry's here.
Meg? Meet the new cartoon and Berlin.
Oh, no!